Let me ask you a question. Are you a beginner? If the answer is yes, then you must watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can use power of AI to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to make a product review videos. And you don't need any special skills, you don't need any special knowledge. This AI software will do everything for you. So first thing you need to do, you need to make a TikTok page, you need to make an Instagram page, and you need to make a YouTube channel because we are going to upload these videos on all of these social media to get as much views as possible, because in that way we will get much more traffic and in that way we will make much more money. So second thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to go on Amazon and you need to find products to promote. So let's say I'm in dog niche. So here I will start searching for dog products. For example, dog bed, okay? And here you can see there is lots of dog beds. So for example, this one here has 74,000 reviews. On average, it has 4.5 stars. So this looks like a good product. And you actually wish to promote good products, and you first need to review this product. You need to see the title, you need to see the description, you need to see data, you need to see reviews of the people who already bought this product, and you need to see their videos if there are videos. And quite often, if some product has this many reviews, it probably has videos, okay, video reviews, okay. Here you can see most of these are 5-star reviews. So what you need to do, you need to go on the website called Topview.ai. Now this web-based software will automatically create product review videos by using avatars. So you don't have to show your own face. After you register, you need to go on your dashboard. And here you can see there are actually 4 ways to make videos: AI video ads, AI avatar, talking photo avatar, and AI image creation. To be honest with you, you will most often use these first 2. Sometimes you will use this third one, but very rarely you will use this fourth one. So here, when you click, here you can see all the available avatars. Some of these avatars have only one scene, but some of these avatars have more scenes. For example, this one here has 10 scenes. And when I close this, here you can see you can even create your own script, or you can simply go back here on your dashboard and you can add an affiliate, and you can add a link, direct link to that product. Here you can see support Amazon, Shopify, YouTube, eBay, and so on and so on. So what we need to do, we need to simply go here on Amazon, and I need to simply copy this link. Now you wish to copy a direct link to this product. You don't want to use your own Amazon affiliate link. In this case, you must copy direct link to this product. Go back here on Topview.ai and paste that link here. Click on create a video. Okay, give it a few seconds. Here you can see it is currently pulling informations from this page here, from the sales page of this product. Okay, and when I go back here you can see try simple. Analyzing 12%. Currently, you can upload your own images, you can upload your own videos, you can import from assets, you can create AI images, product name, you can add a description if you want. Here, when I click on more options, here you can see more options, but we will talk about that in a few seconds, okay? Okay, top view finished my video, and here you can see all the available materials. Now you wish to keep only the best ones. So for example, I wish to choose this one here. I wish to keep this one here. So I will simply unselect this other here. So I will unselect this one as well, and this one and this one. And here you can simply unselect all of the other products that you don't want, okay? And I will also unselect this one here, okay? I only kept these 3 here. Just click here on continue. And then here you can see there are more options. Here you can see they automatically added a product name and also product details. You can change these details if you want, but for now you can keep it, okay? Here you can choose script writing styles. Now here you can choose different one. I will choose auto select by AI, okay? Targeted audience, I don't want to add anything here. Video length, I will choose 15 to 30 seconds. You wish to make shorter videos because people on these platforms have a short attention, okay? So keep these videos short, okay? If you are a company or have a website, you can add a watermark or you can add your own logo. Now this is important part of the video, so pay close attention. Here we need to choose a right ratio, right format, because we are uploading these videos on TikTok, on Instagram as Instagram Reels, and also on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. We wish to choose 9 to 16. That is important. Here you need to choose a language. I will choose English language, but here you can see there is lots of available languages, and all of those most popular languages, most spoken languages in the world, English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, and so on, they are all available here, okay? Here, when I click here you can choose a voice over. Now you can use your own voice, as you can see, clone my voice, or you can use one of these. Now, choosing voiceover is really important. Here you can see Addison, young female, and here you can see American accent. And when I click here on play,
welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform.
I can actually check each of these artists. Okay, so for example, let's just say I will use this one here. And I click here, I need to click here on confirm, okay? And then what you need to do, you need to click here on avatar. Now, I have chosen a female voice over, so I need to choose a female artist. That is where many people for some reason make a mistake. So let's say, for example, I will use, for example, let me just find one of these avatars that I think is the best. So for example, let's just say I will use this one here, okay? It has only one scene, but for this video, for this product, that is all I need. So just click here on this avatar to confirm it, and then click here on confirm, okay? And then click here on generate. And now Topview will automatically create this video for us. Now here you can see you can change this description of the video. Currently 17%. Now here you can see the script for this video. Now you can change this script if you want. Here you can see progress of processing of your video. Now if you don't like it, you can simply change something here and then click here on regenerate. Now like I said, you can change your script. Just click here and you can change this script if you want. And when you click here, you can see how your video looks.
Your dog will love this bed and you will love not spending extra. Is your pup always panting and restless on their old bed?
Now don't worry if this video is not the perfect. When we export this video, it will be much better. Now if you don't like something on this video, you can simply click here on edit and you can edit this video further. Here you can see you can edit each of these scenes. You can add some different images. You can add different script. You can add different text if you want. And when you are satisfied, all you have to do is just click here on export and export this video to your desktop. Now, if you're using a free plan, you will actually have to export this video with the watermark, and it will cost you 5 credits. Now, when you register, you will get 10 free credits. So I will click here to export a free video. And now all you have to do is just click here on download and download this video to your desktop. After that, all you have to do is just upload that video on TikTok, upload it on Instagram as a Instagram Reels, and also upload it on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts. And this is how finished video looks. So let me just click here on play.
You will love not spending extra. Is your pup always panting and restless on their old bed? Traditional dog beds trap heat, making your pet feel hot.
As you can see, this is actually a really good video, and all you have to do, like I said, just start creating videos like this every day and start uploading them on social media, and you will start getting lots of views. Actually, you can find lots of similar videos on TikTok, and those videos are getting lots of views. So this is how you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2025 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.